Presenting the BMW 2016 X5 xDrive50i. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are mineral white metallic, front ventilated seats, cold weather package included, heated rear seats, heated steering wheel, high-intensity retractable headlight washers, driver assistance plus included, active blind spot detection, speed limit information, surround view, active driving assistant, lane departure, forward collision, pedestrian warnings and city collision mitigation, M Sport included, M footrest and M door sills, transmission, Sport automatic launch control, shadowline exterior trim, wheels, 19-inch MLT alloy double spoke, style 467M, anthracite headliner, M steering wheel, M Sport package with outlines designation, outside high gloss roof rails, aerodynamic kit, standard suspension, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, power steering and